Hey all, so I'm here to show you how to access Pearson and get to Dash in order to watch the video for the topic of the day and to do the homework assignment. So I'm here on our home screen and I'm going to start by going through Clever. It's really important through all of these activities that you go through Clever so that it links you to the right website and you don't have issue logging into anything because everything is used with your central unified username and password, which is all Google based. Okay, and that links it all here. So go to Clever. Here we go. Bear with me as things load. Okay, and then once Clever loads, and again, your screen is going to look different than mine because I have the teacher version and you have the student version. So just keep that in mind as we go through. So I'm going to go to Pearson Realize, and I know that you could have gone through the last page, but it's really important to go through Clever so everything loads appropriately. Okay, so go to Pearson. And the first thing that I'm going to want you to do is to watch the video. And you should not try the homework assignment until you've watched the video. Okay, so now I get to click on my centrally unified username. And you're going to first I'm going to move myself to the other side. You're going to log into Pearson Realize. And you can do this on the right-hand side, or you can do it by going to Envision Math. But I'm going to just click on the right-hand side, Pearson Realize, or you can click on Envision Math. Either way, it's fine. But Pearson Realize takes you to the same home screen. Okay, and now is on your screen, you can go to new assignments, and because I'm a teacher, I don't have new assignments, but you would have new assignments, and you would be able to watch, let's see, I can take you to my classes and show you there. You can watch the video that I've assigned to you. So I've assigned Models and Volume Visual Learning for today. Okay, that's 12-1. So then after I watch it, it's just like a 3-minute clip. It stops and asks you to answer some questions. Okay, so after you watch that, you can go back to the home screen on Pearson. Okay, and see on the right-hand side, it says Dash. Click on Dash. Now again, yours will probably look different because I'm going through teacher version, you will have student version, but hopefully it uploads correctly. So go to Dash once it uploads. Okay, press next for guided tour. Okay, and then just go through this. It shows you how to do things, shows me how to do things. Okay, and what I've hopefully assigned to you is this page, the 12-1 practice. I'm going to move my little image to the other side again. Okay, and you should be able to click on the little writing tool up here. You can choose which color you want. Say I want purple. And you should essentially be able to write on this screen. So miss. And it's not going to be easy because it's clicking and pointing. But, we're going to roll with it because that's what we do here in Miss Scott's class. Okay, and I realize I forgot the R in Miss Scott, but it's cool. Okay, say that I don't like the way I did my T's. I can go back and erase it and rewrite it by clicking this erase tool. Also, another cool thing is there's a text box. So if I don't want to click and write, I can just click the text box. And I'm going to resize this because that's really big. Okay, and I'm just going to type maybe not. Okay, this is where we, troubleshoot when we move things around. Let's see. I think it clicked up too high up. Here we go. We're just going to figure things out as they come. It's good. Okay, so maybe let's try this. So Mrs. Scott, and I can resize it. I probably want to delete this one. Trash. Perfect. Delete. And then I can move this one. Oops. Maybe move this one around. Perfect. Okay. So again, we're figuring things out. You saw I just kind of struggled with that because the first one didn't work correctly, and that's okay. Okay. So now you have the option of either typing. Number one, you can type, or number two, you can write, which writing may be easier so you don't lose boxes, but that's okay. So I'm going to write in this first one. Find the number of cubes needed to make each rectangular prism. You can use unit cubes, or you can count the cubes by looking at the drawing. So we're not at school. I cannot give you unit cubes, but if you have something to build this with at home, feel free to build it, and then you can tear it apart and count them. You may have seen something like this on ST Math because a lot of you have gotten to that geometry piece, and that's awesome. Okay, so you would go through here and you can mark, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 here and 3 up, so I know this front panel is 15. Okay, and then I know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't get that. 4 levels, and so I can do 15 multiplied by 4 to get my answer. Multiplied by 4 because I want to show my teacher my work. Okay, and I know 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. I've got my 0, carry on my 2. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, plus the 2 is 6. So I should have a total of 60 unit cubes here. 60. Okay, so go through this. Go ahead and finish it, the whole thing, numbers 1 through 9. Shouldn't take too long. And then make sure you hit save. Okay, if you don't save, how am I supposed to receive it? So it should save and it should send it to me. If you don't save, then I'm not going to show any work. Okay. Also, what I forgot to mention in our first video was that starting now, everything is graded. And I'll go back and I'll add that note. But I will be grading things from here on out. Your grade can't go down. It can only go up. So if you want to make up old work that you did and didn't get the best grade, or maybe you missed it, reach out to me, email Parent Square, or text me in my Google Voice and let me know what work you would like me to resend you. So you can do that at home. Okay, guys, great job. Thanks for sticking with me. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.